Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the headrail and end brackets. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and step ladder. First, lower the slats fully so the blind is compact. Then, find the small release tab or clip on one end of the headrail and press it while supporting the headrail with your other hand. Once released, tilt the headrail out of the bracket and slide toward the opposite bracket until free. Make sure to keep tension off the cords to avoid tangles. With the headrail free, disconnect the lift cords or wand. You should untie any knots and free cord locks. Do this slowly so you don't snag fabric. Next, remove the valance by unclipping its brackets. Some models have magnets, others have snap clips, so check both ends. Once the valance is off, lift the blind out completely and set it on a clean surface. If the slats are individual, stack them in order. If they are a single panel, fold carefully along crease to reinstall or finish. Inspect brackets and replace any broken pins or screws. A damaged bracket causes uneven operation. When reinstalling, seat one end of the headrail into its bracket, then snap the other end in while aligning the cord paths. Test operation several times. Adjust cord tension or ladder alignment as needed. If blinds won't latch, check for debris in the clip or warped headrail. Clean and gently bend back into shape. Troubleshooting tip. If a cord lock sticks, lubricate with a tiny amount of silicone spray, not oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.